So children, we have discussed 5-digit numbers. So what are the digits in 5-digit number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Next, now we are discussing a 6-digit number. 6-digit number. Okay, I said the 5-digit numbers are from 10,000 to 99,999. What is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number, and the largest 5-digit number is what? 99,999. It is the largest 5-digit number. If you add 1 to this largest number, 99,999 plus 1. If you add it, what you will get? What we will get? 99,999 plus add 1 to it. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, so 0 here and 1 will carry. 9 plus 1, again 10 and 1. Next 9 plus 1, again 10 and 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. Now after how many digits you have to write 0? After 100th place. So 1, 2, 3. After 100th digit you have to write a comma. Next one, thousands period, means after 10,000 you have to write a comma. 1, 2. Hundreds, sorry, ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds write comma. Thousands, 10,000s. After 10,000 also you have to write comma. So now we got a number. What is that? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is called as a 1 lakh. So how many digits it consists? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6-digit number, that is called as what? 1 lakh. So in the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After 10,000, the next one will be what? Lakhs. Okay. So every 5-digit number means it is in lakhs only. Example, we will write like this: 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 7. What is this number? How can we read it? How can we read it means? First one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So 2 is in which place? It is in lakhs place. So it is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. 35 is in thousands thing. So 35,000. And next 457. So what we can, how we can write it? 2 lakhs. How much? 35,000. 457. Okay, it is the number name for this number. Okay, children, these are 6-digit numbers. 6-digit number should be in lakhs. If I ask you to write 1 lakh 70,000, 72,000, 300, 23. How can you write this number? What is the number name given? 1,72,323. Okay, we write first. We should write the lakhs digit. What is in lakhs? 1 lakh. 1 in lakhs place. So write 1 here. After that, 72 thousands. So in thousands period, what we have to write is 72. Next, 3 hundreds. So 3 is in hundreds place. Next 23. 23. So 3 is in ones place. 20 means 2 is in tens place. Next 3 is in hundreds place. 2000. So 2 is in thousands. 70 means 7 is in 10,000s place and 1 is in lakhs place. So this number 1,72,323. In this way, if any number name is given, you can able to write the numbers, numerals. Okay. This is which, how many digits it consists? 6 digits. So how can we write the expand form for this number? How can we write the expand form? So for example, I want to write the expand form for this number. To write the expand form, we want to know which place and what is the digit. It is ones place. 3 is the digit here. Next tens place 2 is there. And in hundreds place 3. And in thousands place 2. 7 is in 10,000s place. 1 is in lakhs place. So how can we write it? 1 is in lakhs place. That's why 1 lakh plus 7 is in 10,000s place. That's why 7 tens, 70,000 plus 2 is in thousands place. So 2,000 plus 3 is in hundreds place. So 300 plus 2 is in tens place. So 20 plus 3 is in ones place. So 3. It is the expand form for this number. Okay. So example, one more number is given. What is that one more number? Okay, it is given. First, what is the pronunciation? Means what is that number? We have to read that number. What you can say? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 2 is in lakhs place. Okay. So what we can say? 2 lakhs 53 is thousand. So 53,129. So 2 lakhs 53,129. That is the number. And write the expand form for that. How can you write the expand form? 2 is in lakhs place. So 2 lakhs plus 5 is in 10,000s place. So how much? 50,000 plus 3 is in thousands place. So 3,000 plus 1 is in hundreds place. So 100 plus 29 means 20 plus 9. Okay, it is the expand form for that number. Okay, children, it is called which? How many digits? 6 digit number. Now open the textbook page number 10 and observe the second bit from first exercise. Exercise 1.1 second bit. Okay. Exercise 1.1 you have to observe. In that exercise, first bit is completed by the chart. Which chart? Abacus chart. Okay. Second bit, exercise 1.1 second bit. What is second bit? Write numerals for the given number names. What we have to write? Write numerals. Numerals means nothing but numbers you have to write. Number name will be given in the problem. For that number name you have to write what? Numerals. So the first one. What is the first one? First one is 1 lakh 38,900. Okay, 1,38,900. So we want to write the number for this. First one, lakhs. Lakhs means how many digits it has? It has 6 digits. So first one is in lakhs place. So 1 lakh. Next, ten thousands. What is the digit in ten thousands? 38,000. So 30. 3 is in ten thousands place. Next, 8,000. 8 is in thousands place. After that, what? 900. So 9 hundreds place only. So write hundreds. There is nothing mentioned in tens place and ones place. So you should write zeros only. Okay, now ones, tens, hundreds, 900s, 900. After hundreds place you have to write comma. Next, 8,000. This is 38,000. So after thousands you should write comma. This is the number 1,38,900. Okay, similarly B. What is B? 17,000. 17,800 899. Okay, it is the next one. 17,899. So first 17,000. 17 means it is in thousands. That's why I write 17 in thousands place. Next, 8 hundreds. 8 is in hundreds place. 99. So 99. Ones place 9, tens place 9. So 99 and 8 is in hundreds place. 899 and 7. 17. 17 is in thousands place. So it is 17,899. Same. Next one, 21,005. 21,005. It is the next one. 21,005. Okay. 21 is in thousands place. Means 10,000s and thousands include. We should write 21. There is no hundreds and there is no tens. Hundreds and tens are not there means what we have to write? If hundreds are not there, then you should write 0 there. Tens also not there, so write another 0. And 5. 5 means it is in one digit. First one's digit. So this is 21,005. If hundreds or any others are not there means what you have to write? You have to write zeros in that place. Okay, now 5 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 21 is thousands. So 21,005. Okay, the last one is there. What is that? 2,50,936. You write it in your textbook or notebook. Next, third bit. What is third bit? Put the missing commas and write the numbers in words. Put the missing commas. Commas are not there. You have to write commas for the numbers. After writing commas, you should write the numbers for that. You should write the numbers in words. So third bit. Third bit A is what? 6, 2, 2, 3, 5. This is the number given 6, 2, 2, 5, 3, 5. So I said where we have to write commas means after hundreds period, after 10,000s period means thousands period, next lakhs period. Okay, hundreds period means ones, tens, hundreds, 3 digits will come in hundreds period. Next, 1,000, 10,000 will comes in thousands period. Where you have to write comma? Hundreds period means after hundreds you have to write comma. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. So after hundreds you should write comma. Now what is the number? 62, 235. Like this you have to write. How you can read it? 62,235. 62,235. So write in words. How many thousands you are writing? 62. 62,000. 62,235. Okay, it is the number for that. Next one, B. What is given? 11044. Where you have to write comma? After which place? Hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. So here you have to write comma. What is the number? 11,044. So how can you read this one? How can you read? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So in thousands, what are those? 1 and 1. 11,000s are there. 11,000s. Nothing is there in hundreds. So no need to write. 4, 4. 4 is in tens, means 40. Another 4 is in ones. 4. So 11 in thousands, 44. ELEVEN. 11. THOUSAND. Thousand. 11,000. Hundreds place 0 is there. So no need to write. Then next one what? 44. 11,044. That is the number. Similarly, two other numbers are there in which one? Third bit. You complete it yourself. Next one. Fill in the blanks. So a number is given. All places you have to write it. Okay.